Hello, hello. It is Matt Silver from Boom Digital Marketing Company and Rainmaker CRM. This video is going to cover how we import contacts into the CRM system so that we can use them for all of our campaigns and workflows and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right into it. I am in the contacts pane here, and you should see this bar, and we have export and import contacts. So it's pretty straightforward. We go import. We can drag and drop or click to upload. And where am I here? So I have these example leads. Okay. And you can see it right here. And there are some limitations. 50 megabytes is actually like really big, so you should be okay. Hit next. Now the system will automatically match up whatever headers that there are. So you can see it already matched up the business name, company names, and first, last name, phone, email. So I don't really have to do anything here. Okay, so we're going to leave off all the created and last activity. Actually, the system will, because it's creating that contact, it's going to be assigning that data. Now, if you really wanted to make sure that you retain that value, then me or someone on my team, we can always help you create those fields. And I actually will have videos on how to create additional fields. So that's it. And as far as the tags go, because this example that I'm using was an export from the system itself, a different account, it already has some of these tags and this kind of stuff, and that's fine. That's great. If I didn't want to have them, I could, change it to select, and then, which I'm going to do actually. And then we do the don't import data on the unmatched columns. Okay. Hit next. Final details. We're going to call the import name. Now it does just kind of assign a, the date and time to it. And I do like to, give that a little bit extra. So I'm going to say, oops, if I can type, Matt's test. Okay. You would say like, Matt's contact list, something like that. Now we do have the option of creating a list of contacts from the import. And this can be really handy if you're going to just use the entirety of that list for, some sort of bulk reach or outreach. So I'll actually show you what that looks like. And then under the advanced, so if the contact already exists, you can choose whether it's going to, update it or just leave it as it is, or add as new contact records. Now, for most accounts, I start off with not allowing duplicate records. I do believe that is better. I don't think there's any reason to have duplicate contacts. So if you did this, it would just not import the ones that it finds as duplicates. And this is where you kind of tell it what to find the duplicate by, and that's email. Typically, we use email or the phone. Those tend to be pretty standard across duplicates. I definitely do not like using. We don't even have the option of using name, so that's okay. So email or phone, that's what the system's going to be checking against. I'm going to just put phone. And you can add a second preference, okay? So tags. This is a good opportunity, even though we are creating a separate list. I think this is a good opportunity, good time to add the tag. And so what I would like, I like everyone to either put that it's a lead, or that it is a client or a customer or a patient or whatever that looks like. So we can segment really easily. And if we are, if you're sharing an account and you're part of a team, you should always add, your name to that. And then it's just going to give us one more way that we can kind of like separate things out. So I'm going to say that these are leads. Okay. And I'm going to say it's Matt's contacts. I think, yeah. Okay. And we are not going to automatically add them to workflow or campaign, although that is another option. If you knew you were just you had the campaign set up and you knew you were going to import these and blast it out, you could go straight to the campaign. I do like to do it in a couple steps and have them be separate, because that gives me the time to just really review everything and make sure there were no mistakes made. Okay, so we submit. It's being processed. We can click here to see the progress. That's going to take us to these bulk actions. You can see it's complete already. It goes really fast. You can look at the stats and all of that. But so let's go back, and here is the smart list that it created of my test leads. We can see the tags right here: leads, Matt's contacts. And then, if you needed or wanted to go in, of course, you can go into each of them and add additional information like that. But that's it. They are now in. Now, one other thing that we could do is make sure that they are properly assigned. So we're going to assign this to Big Dummy. There we go. So that's it. That's all you have to do to import your contact list into Rainmaker CRM. If you have any questions or want to know how you can have this kind of system for yourself, then hit me up, use the links below, and we will talk later.